Hi, I'm Stephen Parson, and I'm here to talk to you about ecosystems. Now, an ecosystem is a particular area surrounded with its non-living factors and its communities. Now, a community is a particular area that all the populations live in the same habitat. And a population is all the members of a species that live in the same area. And a species is all of the animals that are physically similar.
So you can kind of think of it as like a city. In that city is a neighborhood. In that neighborhood is a street. And on that street is your house.
In most ecosystems, there are biotic factors and abiotic factors. A biotic factor is a living part of a habitat, and an abiotic factor is the non-living part of a habitat. Some abiotic factors include water, sunlight, oxygen, and temperature. In the biotic parts of a habitat, there are things such as lizards, snakes, bees, and insects, such as over there.
You can also find larger mammals, such as cougars or bobcats, but they're much more rare because their species have a lower amount in their population. A population is all of the members of a species in a particular area.
So all of the different populations in an area make up a community.
The size of a population can also change if the birth and death rate are uneven. Now, for the population to go up, more animals have to be born than animals dying. Now, for a population to go down, more animals have to die than they reproduce.
Another way a population can change is by immigration and emigration. Immigration is when an organism leaves a habitat, and immigration is when an organism joins a habitat.
Another way a population size can change is by limiting factors. Now, limiting factors are something that causes a population to stop growing.
There's also something called carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is the maximum amount of animals that a habitat can sustain.
Animals also interact. They can interact by symbiosis, predation, and competition.
Oh, I was just observing this lizard over here. Competition is when two or more animals compete for survival in their habitats.
Animals adapt to make it easier to survive in their environment. Animals can become immune to some diseases or even change color. Some even become poisonous, so other animals won't eat them.
Both predators and prey adapt. Predators adapt by making it easier for them to catch their prey, and prey adapt by adapting by making themselves harder for the predators to catch them. Predation is when one organism hunts another.
Get back here, boy!
Film and edited by Thomas Dos Santos and Stephen Parson. No biasing, 100 $5. Copyright Tom C. Bank. Extra assistance by Andre Dos Santos. Director unknown. Producer unknown. Actors Paul, Stephen, and Thomas. Main channel.
Go.
We're completely isolated in the wild. Wild, huh?
And then just press delete. Press the trash can twice. Press the trash can twice.
In most ecosystems, there are abiotic factors and abiotic factors. Wait, I said it twice. In most ecosystems,
No, too late. The size of a population can change depending on the birth and death rate of the animals. Now I can't read it. It's too. We have to start over now. The size of a population can also change depending on the birth and death rate. Now, I messed up.